Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can use Midjourney to create similar images. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here you can see that I have generated an image using this prompt, a photograph of a man drinking water from river in winter, and I have used a seed right here. Now you will be surprised. Now you will be thinking that what is this seed? So what I have done that I have given this image or this prompt a seed which is 1. So you will just have to type dash dash seed and then the seed number. So I have given it the seed 1, and whenever I will give the seed 1 to another prompt, it will generate the similar image. So that's how you will be able to generate similar images using Midjourney. So let's type in a new prompt like /imagine, and here we will type a photograph of a man drinking water from a river in summer. And then we will type in our camera that whatever you want to make it more photographic or realistic. And then you will have to type dash dash seed 1 and then just hit the enter key. And here you can see the images generated are very similar to the images that we generated before using the same seed. So that's how you can create similar images in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.